Hi, it's Mary Louise. The holidays are coming up. Are you stuck for gift ideas? Look no further. Welcome to the Ultimate Cricut Gift Guide. In this video, we'll show you the best type of cutting machine for different people in your life and share creative and personalized Cricut gift ideas you can make with your machine. All our machines are beginner-friendly and designed to help you DIY, even with no experience. The best machine just depends on what your giftee wants to make. For the busy mom in your life, balancing school drop-offs, grocery shopping, and after-school programs, we recommend gifting her the Cricut Joy Extra. She can make everything from labels and stickers to birthday banners and teacher gifts in minutes. And its compact size makes it easy to use and then store away. If you're wanting to make your mom on the go something special, we love the idea of making her a custom weekender bag to keep all of her stuff organized. Do you have a friend that is a self-appointed party planner? The one that hosts a dinner like no other? We recommend the Cricut Explore 4. Last-minute celebrations, custom party invites, and favors come together in a snap. If you're making them a gift this year, give them a Cricut-made set of fun party glasses or a custom game night board. They'll feel so appreciated. This is for the DIYer in your life, the one that loves making personalized items for themselves and their loved ones. The Maker 4 is the ultimate gift for any crafter. The Maker specifically offers the most amount of compatible tools and works with the largest range of materials, so they can up their craft game to engraving metal, debossing leather, card making, and so much more. If it's your turn to make something special for them, why not give them a customized craft box, like this, to help spark their creative flow state. We all know a side hustler in our lives. After their 9 to 5, they're making the most of their 5 to 9. Help fuel their passions by gifting them an Explore 4. They can cut a wide variety of materials to make custom decals, t-shirts, stickers, cards, and most importantly, make them in multiples to cut down on time. If you want to make them a gift, we love the idea of custom merch like these sweatshirts or tote bags with their logo. Do you have that friend that labels everything? The one that keeps a meticulous planner booked out through the end of the year? Give them a Cricut Joy. They can create custom labels, simple decals, and so much more. Its compact size makes color coding a breeze. We also love the idea of gifting them some custom canisters that go with their decor and make their organizing dreams come true. This one is for the teacher in your life, the one that decorates their classroom for each season and makes learning fun. A Cricut machine is the perfect gift, and a Maker 4 is a great option. They can say goodbye to pricey pre-made supplies and create engaging classroom materials. Everything from labels and flashcards to big banners and felt letters. They can customize projects by theme, lesson, or season, all for way less. A great homemade gift you can make with your Cricut is a custom name plaque to help make their classroom feel magical. Do you know someone whose cards are always custom, never store-bought? Whose gifts are so personal and their holiday decor is always on point? Chances are it's because they already have a Cricut machine. So, what do you get the person who already loves their machine? How about an Easy Press? It's the perfect complement to their Cricut machine and can take all their iron-on projects to pro-level results. We also love the idea of gifting some of our new materials like tattoo paper or ColourPop iron-on. Chances are they haven't tried them yet, and a stocked craft closet is the best gift a crafter could ever have. No matter which machine you're gifting this holiday season, one more recommendation we have is getting them a bundle. It's like giving someone a gaming console with the games and the controllers. They'll have everything they need to start crafting right out of the box. And there's a wide range of bundles to choose from, so you can find the perfect gift based on what you think they'll want to make. Thank you so much for watching our Cricut Gift Guide. We hope this video helped you choose the perfect gift for all the loved ones in your life. If you want to learn more, we'll link our gift guide and our project pages below. There's even a super quick machine quiz that can help you decide. Happy crafting!